welcome to Toddler Crafts here at the National Marine Aquarium. My name is Sana and I run the Toddler Tuesdays program here, and I've developed a couple of crafts that you guys can do at home using resources you should already have. Now today we're going to be focusing on hermit crabs. So this is my little egg cup hermit crab, and he's got cute little earbud little eyes, just super cute. Alright, now again, like I said, these should all be things you can have at home, but if you don't have these resources, feel free to mix and match and choose whatever ones you have to hand. Alright, this is our little crab. Now to start off with, we're going to need a little egg cup. We're going to need a little bit of paper here, little feet. We're going to need one of these, and we're going to need a pen, and we're going to need some glue as well. Alright, now I'm going to start off, I'm going to cut out some little tiny feet. So, these are scissors. You know, you can always grab an adult if you need a hand. And just cut these ones out like so. There we have it, our two little bits here. Now, if you fold the bottoms like so, you've then got a little area where we can put some glue on. So folding that one up like that, grabbing our glue stick, and then put a little bit of glue on that side there, and we can glue some little legs to one side. Amazing. And then a little bit of glue on this side here. So we have it, we've got our little legs. Now for the eyes, we're gonna need one of these, all right? Now we can cut this one in half, like so. All right, this is gonna need a little bit of wiggling to get these ones into the front. So my egg cart's a little bit thick, so you can always grab a pair of scissors to give you a hand. Adults do this bit. Little ones, maybe not so much. So it's going to be a little bit tricky and very sharp. Oh, I've ripped it. Okay, that's fine. So we have our little egg hermit crab. We poke his little eyes in here. One. Like so. You can give him some little eyes right at the end. One, like that. Two, like that. And then we have our little hermit crab. Looking a little bit freaky, but still. Cool, so that is the end of our crafts. Keep an eye on this page for any new updates. We'd love to see what you guys get up to, so do post a photo below so we can see what you're getting up to at home. And from everyone here at the National Marine Aquarium, please do stay safe, and hopefully we'll see you guys soon.